Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous tous allez très bien. Je m'appelle Moksha et vous êtes à Language Fluent. Je suis votre enseignante de la langue française de l'Institut Language Fluent. Hey linguists, hope you're doing well. My name is Moksha and you're watching Language Fluent. I'm your French tutor at Language Fluent. So today we will be learning about verbs in French. Verbs are the action words which helps us to describe what is happening in our surrounding and also to form phrases. In French, verbs are known as les verbes. Les verbes. They are divided into three groups: ER group of verbs, IR group of verbs, and RE group of verbs. Verbs that ends with ER are known as ER group of verbs. Verbs that ends with IR are known as IR group of verbs. Verbs that ends with RE are known as RE group of verbs. In French, verbs either ends with ER or IR or RE. There is no other possibility of endings of verbs in French. They are further divided into regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are known as régulier, and irregular verbs are known as irrégulier. So today we will be just focusing on regular ER group of verbs. Now, along with that, we need to also focus on conjugation of verbs, as in French, we conjugate each and every verb that accords with subject pronoun. So, to know the basic conjugation of regular ER group of verbs, do watch this video till the end. Now, let's look at the rules to conjugate regular ER group of verbs. Here, we take a verb parler, which is to speak in English. So we take the verb as it is. We write PARLER as it is, and we eliminate ER. And the word that we get is PARL. So we write PARL, and at the end we add endings to this word. Now let's look how it works. We write subject pronouns as it is. Subject pronouns are je, tu, il, nous, vous, il. Now as we know, we had to write PARL. So we write PARL to each and every subject pronoun. Now we add endings to it. For je, it is E. For tu, it is ES. For il, it is E. For nous, we have ONS. For vous, we have EZ. And for il, it is ENT. So we pronounce it as je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. So always remember these endings: E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, as we're gonna use these endings for regular ER group of verbs. Now, as we know the rules to conjugate regular ER group of verbs, let's try to apply that rule. First verb is monter, which is to climb. Here we write subject pronouns as it is: je, tu, il, nous, vous, il. From monter we cut ER. And the word we get is MONT. So we write MONT to each and every subject pronoun, and at the end we add endings: E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. For je it is E, for tu it is ES, for il it is E, for nous it is ONS, for vous it is EZ, and for il it is ENT. So we pronounce it as je monte, tu monte, il monte, elle monte, nous montons, vous monte. Il monte, elle monte. For example, je monte les escaliers, which is I climb the stairs. Now, the second verb is donner. Donner, which is to give. To give. Again, we write subject pronouns as it is. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. From donner, we cut er, and the word we get is donn. So we write donn to each and every subject pronoun, and we add endings e, es, ons, ez, ent. So we pronounce it as je donne, tu donnes, il donne, elle donne, nous donnons, vous donnez, il donne, elle donne. For example, il donne le cadeau, which means he gives the gift. Now, the third verb is aimer. Aimer, which is to like. To like. We write subject pronouns as it is. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. From aimer, we cut er, and the word we get is aim. So we write aim to each and every subject pronoun, and we add endings to it. E, es, ons, ez, ent. Another rules are, here I have eliminated e because e and a both are vowels, and when two vowels clash each other at only je form, we cut e and we add apostrophe. Okay? And in nous, vous and il, elle form, when there is an s, we have a liaison sound z. So the pronunciation becomes j'aime, j'aime, tu aimes, il, elle aime, nous aimons sound z, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. For example, il aime le gâteau, which means he likes the cake. The fourth one is aider. Aider, which is to help. To help. We write subject pronouns as it is. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. From aider, we cut er, and we add aid to each and every subject pronouns, and we add endings e, es, ons, ez, ent. Now again, here we eliminate e from je, as e and a are vowels, and we add apostrophe, and we have liaison in nous, vous and il, elle form. So pronunciation becomes j'aide, j'aide, tu aides, il, elle aide, nous aidons, vous aidez, ils aident, elles aident. For example, j'aide ma mère, which means I help my mother. Now, always remember, these endings are only for regular er group of verbs. For other verbs, we have other endings. Thank you. So, we are at the end of our lecture. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please do hit the bell icon which is there on your YouTube app to never miss on our updates and on our latest videos. Also hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you want to register for the full courses at Language Fluent, refer to the description box which is there given below. You can refer to the contact number or you can fill the form which is there in the description box. We also provide translators and interpreter services at Language Fluent. So hope to see you guys in next lecture. A bientôt, merci beaucoup, thank you.